Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. My name is Usman Chaudhary and today in this video I will share my incubation experience of ostrich eggs with you. So if you are new to incubation or if you are thinking to incubate the ostrich eggs, then I recommend you to watch this video till end because there are several things that you should know before starting ostrich eggs incubation. I have placed total 4 eggs and just after that within 5 or 6 days of incubation liquid was started to coming out from one of the eggs shell. So there was a very bad smell. I thought the egg was not fertile, so I removed that egg from the incubator. And then one after another, same thing was happened to another egg after 8 days. I thought they are the ostrich eggs and they may have different properties as compared with the chicken eggs or duck eggs. So I thought maybe due to this reason they are releasing the smelly liquid. So that's why I did not did anything with the eggs and I continued the incubation. So today is the 21st day of the incubation and when I candled all the eggs and I realized that none of the egg is fertilized anymore. So I decided to turn off the incubator and break the eggs one by one. Whenever I remove the lid of the incubator, there is a very bad smell. So it was very difficult to stand in front of the incubator due to the smell. So here if you can see due to the liquid that was coming out from the eggshell, different particles are stick with the eggshell. So I decided to break the egg to see what happens inside. It was my first experience of incubating the ostrich eggs. Before that I have incubated successfully chicken eggs and duck eggs. So this happens with me. I don't know why and how it happens. I had maintained 36.5 degrees centigrade incubation temperature. So this was my experience with the incubation of ostrich eggs. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have any suggestions or any comments, or if you think I have did some mistake with the incubation, so do comment below. I will appreciate it. So thanks for watching and sparing time, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos like this.